Most folks chasing preparedness throw thousands into flashy rifles that look good on Instagram, but fail when real life gets ugly. The smart survivors know better. They're stocking away proven workhorses battle rifles in the $400 range that shrug off mud, snow, and abuse, and still send rounds downrange when your family's survival depends on it. These are rifles built to keep breathing in the middle of desperation. Not range toys, not hype machines, true survival lifelines. And our number one choice? It's going to shake the so-called experts, the same ones who've been feeding you bad advice for years. If you value straight talk, reliable gear, and firearms that actually work when the world collapses, stick around. And as always, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me which rifle you'd trust when everything else falls apart. Number 7. Henry AR-7 Survival Rifle. The Henry AR-7 isn't just another rimfire you see on the rack at your local shop. This rifle comes straight out of American survival history. Most shooters shrug it off as a gimmick. But the truth is, this little rifle has saved lives in combat zones and in real wilderness emergencies. The design goes all the way back to the 1950s. When American pilots were being shot down over enemy territory, the Air Force demanded a weapon that could keep a man alive behind enemy lines. That brutal requirement gave birth to the AR-7. It's a semi-auto chambered in .22 long rifle. It weighs only 3.5 pounds. The barrel runs 16.5 inches. But the trick is in the engineering. The barrel, the action, and even the magazines all pack neatly inside the stock. When it's broken down, the whole package measures just 16 inches. And if you drop it in the water, the stock floats. That's not a party trick. It's the difference between keeping your rifle or losing it when you're crossing a river. This isn't about showing off at the range. It's about carrying a rifle that keeps working when everything else fails. Pros: waterproof storage when packed correctly. Floats if dropped in water. Compact breakdown perfect for bug-out kits. Lightweight enough to carry for days. Proven military survival pedigree. Cons: limited stopping power from rimfire. Can be finicky with dirty ammo. Iron sights don't allow much adjustment. Plastic stock feels cheap in the hand. Takes practice to reassemble under stress. The AR-7 is clever survival engineering, but the next rifle has been quietly dominating the survival market for decades, thanks to one feature that makes it practically unstoppable. Average street price, about $400. Number 6. Ruger 1022 Takedown. The Ruger 1022 has been America's rimfire workhorse for over half a century, but the Takedown version takes that reputation and gives it a survival twist. This rifle doesn't just ride in a gun safe. It disappears into a pack and comes back together in seconds, ready to work. On paper, it looks familiar. Semi-automatic. Chambered in .22 long rifle. An 18.5-inch barrel. Weight right around 4.6 pounds. But here's the magic. One twist of the locking ring, and the rifle splits in half. No tools. No hassle. That means you can drop it in a backpack and walk down Main Street without anyone knowing you're carrying a full-size rifle. The real beauty is the platform itself. The 1022 has more aftermarket support than any rimfire in existence. You can transform it into whatever your mission demands. Need a precision rimfire sniper? Upgrade the barrel, add glass, and tighten the trigger. Need close quarters defense? Go short, mount a red dot, and fit a folding stock. Want a simple trainer for kids or new shooters? Keep it bone stock with iron sights. The ammunition is cheap, quiet, and featherlight. You can carry 1,000 rounds without breaking your back. Pros: endless aftermarket options. Quick takedown with no tools. Excellent reliability. Great teaching platform. Suppressor ready with threaded models. Cons: costs more than budget rimfires. Takedown lockup can loosen with use. Factory mag release feels stiff. Trigger usually needs upgrading. Heavier than ultra-light single shots. The 1022 Takedown is a prepper's Swiss Army knife, but the next rifle in this lineup throws every rule out the window, with a design so radical it looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. Price range, $350 to $400. Number 5. Chiappa Little Badger. The Chiappa Little Badger looks like it came straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie. That bare-bones, skeletonized frame isn't for looks. It's function pure and simple. This rifle is so light and compact that most backpackers forget it's even strapped on. Until it's time to drop small game for dinner. It's available in 22 long rifle, 22 WMR, or 17 HMR. It weighs just 2.9 pounds. And when folded, the overall length is only 17 inches. There's no extra steel here. Just the critical parts you need and nothing else. You can literally clip this rifle to the side of a pack and carry it all day without thinking about it. The barrel comes threaded right from the factory, so running a suppressor is simple. Noise discipline matters when you're hunting for survival. You also get Picatinny rails for optics or lights, but most people keep it simple with irons. Yes, it's a single shot, but that limitation makes you slow down, focus, and take cleaner shots. In a survival scenario, you don't get to waste ammo anyway. Pros: lightest rifle on this entire list, folds extremely compact for backpack carry. Threaded barrel ready for suppressors. Multiple caliber choices available. Simple break-action design that's almost indestructible. Cons: single shot limits follow-up opportunities. No manual safety beyond common sense. Trigger pull can feel rough. Fixed iron sights are very basic. Loud crack without a suppressor attached. The Little Badger proves that sometimes less really is more. But the next rifle turns that logic on its head because it brings serious big game power into the survival conversation. Price tag usually runs $150 to $200. Number 4, Savage Axis II XP. Most survival rifle lists skip over big game hunting. That's a mistake that could cost you and your family everything. When the shelves are empty and you're depending on meat in the freezer, you'll need something stronger than a rimfire. That's where the Savage Axis II XP comes in. This bolt-action rifle is chambered in real hunting calibers: .308 Winchester, .270 Winchester, 30-06 Springfield. Each one proven on deer, elk, and nearly anything else in North America. The rifle runs a 22-inch barrel, and depending on caliber, weighs between 6.5 and 7 pounds. It ships with a factory-mounted Bushnell scope, which means you're ready to hunt right out of the box. Savage's AccuTrigger system gives you a clean, adjustable brake that helps shooters tighten their groups. And being a bolt action, it's naturally more reliable in the dirt, the cold, or the rain compared to semis. The synthetic stock shrugs off bad weather. The carbon steel barrel will outlast you if you take care of it. Pros: true big game stopping power. Comes packaged with a usable scope. AccuTrigger improves accuracy dramatically. Bolt action reliability in extreme conditions. Multiple caliber choices that cover every North American hunt. Cons: heavier than rimfire survival rifles. Ammunition costs far more than .22 long rifle. Louder report that can spook other game. Factory scope is serviceable, but not top tier. Not ideal for brand new shooters. The Axis II XP proves you don't need to drop thousands to get a capable hunting rifle. And it shocks gun snobs because it works every bit as well as rifles that cost 3 times more. Price point hovers right around $300. Number 3. Kel-tec SUB2000 Gen 2. The Kel-tec SUB2000 Gen 2 doesn't look traditional, but its engineering is pure genius. This is the ultimate urban survival carbine. Chambered in 9mm or 40 S and W, the rifle weighs just 4.25 pounds. It runs a 16.1-inch barrel, giving pistol rounds rifle-length velocity. Here's the part that sets it apart. The SUB2000 folds completely in half. Collapsed, it measures only 16.25 inches. That means it can vanish into a laptop bag, briefcase, or backpack with zero profile. Law enforcement units have stashed these in unmarked vehicles for years. Preppers love them for bug-out bags where every inch counts. Magazine compatibility is another major advantage. Depending on the model, it takes mags from Glock, Smith & Wesson M&P, Beretta, or Sig Sauer pistols. That means you can run your sidearm and your carbine off the same magazines. Once deployed, you're sending pistol cartridges at rifle speed, which gives you accuracy and energy no handgun can match. The stock irons are serviceable, but most shooters add a red dot for faster work. Pros: folds smaller than most laptops, shares magazines with common pistols, delivers rifle performance from pistol cartridges, deploys fast when you need it, multiple magazine pattern options available. Cons: Folding mechanism is more complex and can break. Priced higher than basic pistol caliber carbines. Aftermarket support is still limited. Iron sights leave room for improvement. Deployment takes practice to get smooth. The SUB2000 shows what happens when designers think outside the box. And the next rifle proves that sometimes overlooked platforms are hiding the best performance in the gun world. Used market value runs about $300. Number 2. Rossi RS22. The Rossi RS22 is one of the best-kept secrets in the rimfire world. This little rifle delivers performance that embarrasses guns costing twice as much. Most shops barely mention it. Not because it doesn't work, but because selling you this rifle cuts into their margins on overpriced American rimfires. Built in Brazil, the RS22 is a semi-automatic chambered in .22 long rifle. It wears an 18-inch barrel and tips the scales at just 5 pounds. The details are what make it shine. The trigger breaks cleanly without that mushy feel most rimfires suffer from. The action cycles smoothly with both standard and high-velocity ammunition. And the accuracy right out of the box is far better than you'd expect at this price. The synthetic stock shrugs off extreme weather. The simple design makes cleaning straightforward. And because it runs under $200, you can buy multiple rifles. One for every family member or cache location. For new shooters, it's a perfect trainer. No finicky controls, no surprises. Just fundamentals, drilled the way they should be. Throw on a basic red dot and a sling, and you've got a woods rifle that will run for decades. Pros: outstanding value for the money. Smooth action that runs reliably. Trigger is surprisingly good from the factory. Affordable enough to buy multiples. Easy to maintain and clean. Cons: aftermarket support is limited. Magazine capacity could be better. Factory irons are very basic. Brand recognition isn't strong in the US. Plastic stock can feel cheap in the hands. You wouldn't expect a budget Brazilian rimfire to compete with American classics. But the RS22 proves that sometimes price doesn't tell the whole story. Price range: $150 to $180. Number 1. Marlin XT-22. The Marlin XT-22 is proof that speed isn't everything. In an age obsessed with high-capacity semi-autos, this bolt-action rimfire reminds us that accuracy and discipline matter more. Chambered in .22 long rifle, the rifle runs a 22-inch barrel and weighs right at 6 pounds. But the magic is in the bolt itself. Smooth cycling, simple mechanics, and absolute reliability. It comes in both magazine-fed and tube-fed versions, so you get to choose how you want to carry ammunition. That longer barrel means more velocity and tighter accuracy than most carbines. Perfect for small game hunting where every shot has to count. Bolt actions force shooters to slow down. Every pull of the trigger is deliberate. That builds skills in a way semi-autos never will. Maintenance is about as simple as it gets. A pull-through and a few drops of oil keep it running for years. No jams, no feeding problems. Just the classic reliability that bolt guns are known for. For training new shooters, it's outstanding. Quiet report, clean accuracy, and fundamentals are reinforced with every round fired. Pros: rock-solid bolt-action reliability, accuracy that beats most semi-autos, very little maintenance required, encourages proper shooting habits, quieter than many autoloaders, great for hunting. Cons: follow-up shots are slower, heavier than ultralight alternatives. Bolt can feel stiff until it's broken in. Magazine capacity is modest. Old-school styling doesn't excite everyone. The Marlin proves that traditional bolt actions still belong in any survival kit. Price usually runs $250 to $300. The rifles we covered today aren't about Instagram posts or tactical setups. They're about tools that actually work when your family's safety is on the line. These 7 rifles will keep running when the fancy builds fail. They cost less than a month of groceries. And when everything else breaks down, these are the rifles you'll trust to put food on the table and keep you alive. The gun industry won't advertise them because the profit margins are too small. But now you know the truth. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure you hit like. Drop a comment with your survival rifle of choice, and subscribe for more straight talk on firearms that matter.